in the given problem, he has given the two discrete signals and then he is asking the convolution of those two signals, right? So here the important thing that you should observe is from where it is starting. So here you see here the arrows indicates this is the 0. So that means this is minus 1. This is 1. Similarly, this is 0, h of 0, h of 1 and h of 2. Okay. So if this is the case, then what about the y of n values? Let us say y of n is the convolution of these two, like g of n convolution of h of n. So if you see here g of n, the values of n are minus 1, 0, comma 1, because at minus 1 is given as a 3, at 0 it is minus 2, at 1 it is 4, right? This is the n values. These are the n values and this is the corresponding g values. Similarly, h of n. h of n, it starts at n equal to 0, 1 and 2. So at 0 its value is 4, at 1 its value is 2 and at 2 its value is 1. What about y of n starting values? So y of n starting values, in case of y of n, the starting value n equal to the starting value of g of n plus the starting value of h of n. See here, the starting value of g of n is minus 1 and the starting value of h of n is 0. So that means the starting value for y of n is minus 1. So we know that when you are having n1 values and when the other system in h of n is having n2 values, the y of n is having n1 plus n2 minus 1 values, right? So how many values here you will get? 3 plus 3 and total 3 plus 3 is 6 minus 1, 5 values. So from where it is starting? So for y of n, the n value is starting from minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, right? So the second value will become the y of 0, right? Now I am going to find out the convolution. So there is a shortcut for this. This is not a shortcut, this is the regular only, but I don't know whether how many of people know this. So what you have to do is you have to write g of n values in the row wise. So this will become 3 minus 2, 4. So and you have to write in the column wise. You are supposed to write h of n values. So this is 4, this is 2 and this is 1. So here the value is 3 4s are 12. So 3 2s are 6. This is 3. This is minus 8. This is minus 4. This is minus 2. And this is 16. And this is 8. And 4 ones are 4. Right? So here the 7 values are 1, 2, sorry, not 7, 5 values. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So the first one value is the at n equal to 1. So at n equal to 1 it is 12. What about n equal to 0? So y of 0 is nothing but the second one, this column. If you see this one, you just add these two. 6 minus 8. So how much you will get? This is minus 2. Similarly, if you want to know at n equal to 1, just add these 3. Similarly, at n equal to 2, add these 2. Similarly, at n equal to 3, 4 is the answer. So what he is asking? He is asking at n equal to 0. So at n equal to 0 is nothing but 6 minus 8. So its value is minus 2.